channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to create picture manipulation in Canva. So let's begin. Stay tuned till the end and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. So let's begin. First of all, you're gonna take this size over here. And after the page has been opened, now what you do is that I'm just gonna insert this image right now. Like this is my image. I am just gonna make it to my full page size. Now what you do is that you're gonna go in the elements, click on the square right here. And I'm just gonna change its color to white. Make it like type of a rectangle. And I'm just gonna make it align to the borders of the road. Something like this. And I'm gonna make a duplicate and put it on the other side. Same just like this. Alright. Just a little over like this. And I'm gonna make it like full size. Alright. Like this. Now I'm gonna click on share. Click on download. And download. So after this has been downloaded, now I'm gonna delete all of this. I'm gonna delete all of this. And I'm just gonna drag this one right here. Make it like up to like this size. Alright. Now I'm just gonna scroll over here down and click on this frame of the circular frame. And I'm gonna drag this image to my template and put it inside my frame. Increase the size. And I'm gonna make it to the forward. And I'm gonna remove the background of this. Something like, I'm just gonna you're gonna adjust it by yourself. Like, you just have to adjust it somehow that it matches the exact picture right there. I guess this is perfect. It has matched to my picture. Now what I'm just gonna do is that you're gonna search over here for a neon portal. You're gonna go in the photos and just click on this one right here. Like this. And you're just gonna examine to the size of the frame. And right click layers and show layers. And I'm gonna move it behind like in the between of these two. And now you're gonna search for a neon line. You're gonna go in the graphics and just scroll down and something you find like this. Like I want a line like this. You know, click on these three dots. You know, click view more from this creator. And search again over here for neon line. Go in the graphics. And now I got something related to this line. You know, make its size pretty much small. And I'm gonna rotate it. Like this. And I'm gonna make a duplicate of this one. And rotate it the same way. Like this. And now what you can do is that you're gonna go back to the main page of the elements. And you're just gonna search for a random scenery. Go in the photo, and you just can take any type of scenery. I'm just gonna take this one and set image as background. Or like I'm gonna take a different one like this one. Like this. Okay, this is more better. Now what I'm gonna do is that now I'm just gonna search over here for like a hot air balloon. You're gonna stay in the photos, and I'm just gonna scroll down, and I kinda like this one right here. I'm gonna remove its background, and I'm gonna flip it horizontally. So I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share to your friends for more videos like these.